As y'all know, we have been so busy working on this house in Ohio, we just needed a break. So we decided to head down to our favorite place, which is Amish Country. We're going to spend the day down there, get some sweet treats, and maybe some home ideas. As we're driving into the town, the first thing we do is stopping at these donuts. They are so amazing, huge, oh my gosh. Another must for us is Der Dutchman. It's our favorite restaurant down here, and you have to order the roasted chicken. It's amazing.
No, you don't get to come back. Crying over the love.
There's no better way to spend an afternoon than a drive through these beautiful backcountry roads of the Amish country. It's just breathtaking. Our next stop is Keim Lumber. They are all things home building, woodworking. We just wanted to get some fresh new ideas for the house, and we thought this would be a great way to do that. Y'all, this place is huge. It's basically a home superstore. They have everything that you need to do a project in your home, basically renovate your home. From kitchen, floors, lighting, paint, any tool that you could imagine, and even design services. Everything in one place. They've even got a little cafe if you get hungry on the job. We're thinking about adding some wood accents to the house, and Keim, they're just known for their millwork. So we sat down with them just to find out what our options might be. While we were there, they offered a behind-the-scenes tour of their Amish Run Mill. Check this out. In case you didn't know, Amish, they don't drive cars, so this is their employee parking lot. Y'all, this place is impressive. Matt was totally geeking out. This is like his childhood dream. It was so fun to look at all of the worldwide exotic lumber. Check out this one. It looks like zebra. After we left Keim, we stumbled across this flower farm. Y'all, this is my dream. I have been begging Matt for years for a cut garden, and it feels like just I stepped into a floret field. There are moments in life that you just know are going to be a core memory. I think this is one of them. Do you ever experience a moment and just realize that there is nowhere else that you'd rather be? Next stop, Gasburg Cheese. This is actually a place that we used to go to on field trips, and honestly, I feel like it's a must stop. I mean, you get to taste all of the different varieties of cheese.
Right out of my ocean, and I was broken, but you know what they say, time's got a good way of healing.
Unfortunately, the day is getting old, so we gotta head back to reality. Until next time.